Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a wreath. So this is a wreath that I got at Hobby Lobby. It was $7.99 and I used a 50% off coupon that's on their app. You'll also need a glue stick and flowers, which you can't see, they're out of camera right now. So the biggest thing is that for a lot of you who followed or watched my other tutorial, I made this. Oh, this is really weird, I'm trying to get this. Okay, so I made this centerpiece the other day, and so I'm gonna get my wreath for my door to match this guy. So that's today's plan. So I'm gonna be doing this in reverse so that you guys can see, so I don't have to make my life more complicated with editing. So you're gonna need wreath, snips, flowers, and a glue gun and glue sticks, which are super important. And I'm gonna put up the picture here that I found on Pinterest that I really want to recreate. I thought it was really like flowy and really green and I really loved it. So I really want to try and recreate that today. Okay, so if you followed my other video, you'll see that I started with greenery. So today I'm also gonna be starting with greenery, and I really want to make it nice and like flowy, gardeny style. So and the nice thing is that, you know, if you don't want to glue it, you probably don't have to, because you can just kind of, you know, stick things in, move them around because of the type of, this is like a branch wreath. So you can, if you want to. I mean, I'm probably gonna stick them in for now to get a placement, and then come the flowers, I will probably definitely be gluing them to make sure that they stay in place. So I'm going to use a variety of what I currently have. And I mean, I'm doing this so that, you know, this goes here, but I mean, you could do it any way you want it. You could do it so that like the big part is flowing downward. That's really totally up to you. Okay, so I'm gonna make them some flowing down this way and then some flowing up this way. So I took these two out and I'm gonna go in. It's okay if you lose some leaves along the way. Really just, yeah, like I really just want it to be like flowy, gardeny. And then I'm gonna go in with my whole leaves here. And then I'm going to do the same thing. Okay, so I like the greenery how it is. I don't want to get the greenery too like far behind all the flowers. So I'm gonna go in with my main flower here. And this is where it kind of gets a little bit tricky. Now these do have wires on it, so I'm gonna see how much I can get away with not gluing. Again, because I would like to repurpose the wreath for people who have ADD and like don't know how to make life decisions. So because these are my focal point in my other bouquet, I'm gonna put these right in the center.